everyone, this episode is specifically for content creators. For example, you're in a rush, you forgot to film an episode, and now you have to film an episode because you want to be a good YouTube creator, so you have to upload a video every week. And now you only have, say, 2 days, and you can't even write a script. What are you going to do? Hello everyone, today our episode is about how you can set the mood for writing your script. If you have, say, an hour to write a script, is that even possible? We will make it possible. Number 1, play music. Play music that enhances your mood, that sets the mood for empowerment or whatever it is that your niche is about. Spotify, YouTube playlist, whatever it is that you want to use. So if your niche is about empowerment, inspiration, or boosting your self-esteem, play upbeat music to lift your emotion, to lift your spirits up, right? Listen to that music and feel it go through your veins and your body and your mind and your thoughts and your heart. You're setting the mood. If your niche is around fitness or, health lifestyle, when you play this upbeat music, you imagine yourself running by the beach or at the park, by the river, by the lake, climbing the mountain, climbing the trees, whatever it is you want to climb, or at the gym, right? So you feel empowered. And then you start writing like, oh, my favorite places where I want to run. And then these ideas start coming to your mind like, oh, what I feel when I'm by the beach and I hear all these waves, or when I'm climbing the trees and I'm communing with nature. See, when you're playing music and you're visualizing yourself, the ideas just start coming in. Or when you're an event organizer, for example, and you're playing this upbeat music, then you're imagining, oh my gosh, I want to do this, I want to do that. This is the cake that I want to have. I need to decorate the room. I want a hotel. All these ideas just popping up. And it's because music is playing in your ears. So that's what I do, actually. That's really what I do. I play music when I'm writing a script, when I'm setting the room, my little cute little paradise, which I call my own little Universal Studios. This is my own little Universal Studio. So yeah, I play music. When I'm fixing myself, dressing up, putting on makeup, I play music. My favorite. What's your favorite music? Let me know. Type it in the comments below. I want to know. Another tip actually is if you maintain a journal or a calendar. If you like writing down things that happened when you were hurt, when you were brokenhearted, when you were so happy, when you lost something, just grab that journal and flip through the pages and find those memorable moments. Develop those into topics, and you just might be able to develop 2 or 3 topics, and then you're ready to film. If you reached this far, I hope it's because you like my video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, and then that way the world can know that there's someone like me who wants to share my tips, my experiences, and help you become an amazing, empowered, and confident social media personality. And remember, in everything that you do, you have to be confident. No one has to know that you did your script in 30 minutes, that you filmed in like 20 minutes, but you have to be confident, because confidence speaks volumes. Sometimes you don't even have to open your mouth yet. Confidence is seen in the way you sit, the way you move your hands, the way you move your eyes, the way you talk to people, the way you do gestures, and your tone. The tone of your voice also speaks of confidence. So all of those tips are definitely handy for you. So all of these are going to tie up with you being a YouTube creator. And I hope that these short tips will help you. I know you're probably in a rush, so I also made this really short video so that hopefully you can use it and get that script going and start filming right away. I'll see you next week. Bye for now.